Retiring early requires careful planning and smart investments. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. By improving your skills, knowledge, and health, you can increase your earning potential and enjoy a better quality of life. Here in this video, we will discuss the 10 best investments you can make into yourself to retire early. The video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Education. Investing in education can provide a significant return on investment. By earning a degree or certification, you can increase your earning potential and qualify for higher-paying jobs. Additionally, learning new skills can help you adapt to changes in the job market and make you more valuable to employers. Number 9. Health and wellness. Taking care of your health is essential to living a long and happy life. By investing in your physical and mental well-being, you can improve your quality of life and reduce healthcare costs in the long run. This can include exercise, healthy eating, and preventative healthcare measures like regular checkups and screenings. Number 8. Personal finance. Investing in your financial education can help you make smart decisions with your money and plan for retirement. This can include learning about budgeting, investing, and saving for retirement. Number 7. Personal development. Investing in personal development can help you become a better version of yourself. This can include attending seminars, reading books, or taking courses on topics like time management, communication, or leadership. Number 6. Networking. Building a strong network of contacts can open up new opportunities for your career and personal life. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and make an effort to connect with people in your field. Number 5. Traveling can broaden your horizons and expose you to new cultures and experiences. This can help you become a more well-rounded person and expand your perspectives. Number 4. Hobbies. Investing in hobbies can help you find fulfillment outside of work and reduce stress. Hobbies can also help you develop new skills and meet new people. Number 3. Language learning. Learning a new language can open up new opportunities in your career and personal life. It can also help you connect with people from different cultures and countries. Number 2. Technology skills. Investing in technology skills can help you stay competitive in today's job market. This can include learning how to use new software, developing coding skills, or mastering social media platforms. Number 1. Volunteering. Investing in volunteering can help you give back to your community and develop new skills. Volunteering can also help you build your network and meet new people. Investing in yourself is one of the best ways to prepare for retirement. Consider these 10 investments in yourself as a way to retire early and live the life you've always dreamed of. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.